In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a category menu to your Wix website. Whether you're setting up a new online store or enhancing your current site, having a well-organized category menu can make navigation much easier for your visitors, ultimately leading to a better user experience. So, let's dive right in and make your website more user-friendly. First, you'll need to open your Wix website. Once you've logged in, head straight to your site by clicking on it from the dashboard. This will bring you to your website editor, where you'll have access to all your site's features. Next, let's focus on the catalog section. Navigate to the catalog by clicking on it. This is where you have all the magic of organizing your products at your fingertips. Within the catalog, you'll find the category option. Select it. This is your gateway to setting up the menu that will enhance your visitors' navigation experience. Now you'll want to add products to these categories. By clicking on Add Products, you can organize your inventory into distinct categories, making it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for. This added layer of organization is crucial, particularly if you have a wide range of products. Let's move on to adding the elements you'll need. To do this, click on Add Elements from your editor view. Elements are the building blocks of your Wix site, allowing you to customize your layout precisely how you want it. From the list, you'll notice an option for Blog. Click on it. By clicking the Blog option, you can integrate dynamic content as well. Within the blog options, you'll find Category Menu. Select the category menu, as this is the feature we are looking to place on your site. It's what will host all of your product categories, allowing users to filter through your offerings effectively. After placing the category menu on your site, click on Settings to start customizing it. Adjust the settings so the category menu aligns with your overall site design and aesthetic. Next, it's time to manage your categories, so click on Manage Categories. Here, you'll see a list of current categories you might have, or it could be completely blank if you're just starting out. This is where the fun begins. Click on Create Category to start setting up new sections for your products. You'll enter your categories here, giving each one a name that is both descriptive and easy for customers to understand. This could mean categorizing by product type, usage, brand, or whatever makes sense for your offerings. Once you've added all your desired categories, your menu is ready to go. Your site now features an intuitive category menu, enhancing the browsing experience for every visitor and making it easier for them to find exactly what they need. Don't forget to save your changes and preview your site to ensure everything looks perfect. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your website's navigation, making it a breeze for your customers to explore your offerings.